With summer right around the corner, Glossybox have treated us to a new limited edition box, and I'm so excited to show it to you. Let's get into it. So this is the brand new Glossybox Summer Mini Travel Essentials box. I think that's what it's called. And it is out now. It's on the website. If you want it, go to the link below and you will see it there and you'll be able to buy it right now. However, it is limited edition, so it might sell out super fast. So before I show you the contents, I just thought I'd let you know that this box is worth £108. However, it's being sold for £30. And if you're a Glossybox subscriber, make sure you sign into your account because you get an extra £5 off, making this £25, which is crazy because one of these items is worth £24 alone and another item is worth £34 alone. Can you tell I'm consulting my cheat sheet? Okay, let me show you what you get inside. So the first thing you need to know is this set comes in a beautiful limited edition makeup bag. It's so pretty. I really love this beautiful purple colorway. It's absolutely stunning. And no joke, it is absolutely stuffed full of products. So let me just start with the biggest item first. This is the Morphe Jet Setter set. Now this is actually, I think, 3 products in one. Let's open it up and have a look. So inside the box, we have 3 products. We have a makeup applicator. We have the mini bake and set translucent powder, which you obviously use with the applicator. And then we also have the mini continuous prep and set mist. I've never used these before. Absolutely no idea if they're any good. I'm going to guess they are because Morphe is generally like pretty good stuff. But that is the first item. And it's actually kind of like a 2-for-1 / a 3-for-1. Oh, and that Morphe set is actually worth £24 on its own, which means if you are a Glossybox subscriber, like that whole set is what you pay for, and then you pay £1 more, and then that's literally like the price of the entire set. It's crazy, and there's so much more to go, so let's get into it. Next up, this is by Pop Mask, and it's called Calm. It's a self-heating steam eye mask, which is absolutely incredible if you're taking a long flight and you have to get up either really early or you've got a bit of jet lag. I actually gave something very similar to my husband literally last night because he had a 6 a.m. flight, which meant he actually had to get up at 3 a.m, which meant he went to bed at like 8:30 at night. So I gave him one of them to help lure him off to sleep. And you know what? It worked. Anyway, let's discuss the next item, which is by Floral Street, and I love this perfumery. This is actually the Arizona Bloom, which I love. It's a really beautiful solar perfume, and this is a perfume mist. So it's kind of like a perfume body spray hybrid. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, that's so pretty. I love this perfume. It's just so solar and warm and sunshiny and kind of like florally. It's really pretty, kind of musky, florally loveliness. So that is the next item, Floral Street Arizona Bloom. This is a body mist. Now next up, I thought I'd turn the camera around for this one because I wanted you to see it properly. This is by Rodial, and as luck would have it, we've gone blurry. Okay, here it is. This is, oh my god, my camera. Okay, this is by Rodial, and it's the Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask. Now you can use this as like a 10-minute face mask, you know, if you've been in the sun and you want like a bit of a hydration hit, if your skin's feeling quite dry before you're going out for dinner, you can use it as like a nice quick face mask, and it's brilliant for that. However, if you're like me and you're a little bit lazy, a little bit time poor, and just generally like don't have the inclination to like sit there for 10 minutes with a face mask on, then you can do what I do, which is basically use this as a night cream. So basically, instead of a night cream, I just use this, and it's like an overnight mask. It's brilliant. I really like it. This is how I generally use the product. I just feel like, why give it 10 minutes when I can give it like 8 hours? So yeah, that is the next item. And as we all know, Rodial is very expensive. In fact, this product is worth £34 alone. So let's have a rummage around and see what's next. I'm literally doing this in no particular order. Oh, we've got Molten Brown. Hello, I love Molten Brown. So this is the Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. I'm just going to give it a smell because I love this one. So pretty, so fresh. It does smell rhubarby and rosy in the best possible way. So this is a travel mini, absolutely stunning. Personally, I'd suggest using it in the bath because you can just like enjoy it for longer. And then we have another 2-for-1. This is a Philip Kingsley combination shampoo and the conditioner. And these are both 20ml, so perfect for putting in your suitcase. And I'd probably get about 2 uses out of each of these. So perfect for like a week-long holiday. And then next up, this is by Bassy Beauty. Oh, this is a pair of tweezers. I always need new tweezers. I'm a hairy girl, so that is the next item. And here they are, just so you can see they're pink. And then we have 2 more items. The first one is by Dr. Pawpaw, and this is a SPF 30 moisturising lip balm. Always handy, let's be real here. It's always handy, you need that. And then the final item is by Neutrogena, and this is a Clear and Defend face wash. Again, great product, especially if you have combination or oily skin and yeah, you just want a bit of a deep cleanse. And this, once again, is what it looks like. I think this set is an absolute winner for £30. But of course, if you're a subscriber, you'll get it for £25, which makes it like an actual no-brainer. I think my favourite things from the entire box have to be the Rhodil, because I love Rhodil. The Morphe I'm really excited about. The Molten Brown, obviously, I love. The bag is absolutely adorable, and I know I'll be using this. And then I'm also really excited by the pop mask, because these kind of things just fill my heart with joy. Anyway, that is a set. I hope you like it as much as I do. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.